Hi everyone, inside this particular video we'll be learning another quick topic inside tuples called tuples unpacking. So let's go to our code editor and try to understand. See, whenever you define any kinds of tuple, you can unpack the value. What is unpacking the value? Let me show you one example. Let's say here I'm having one tuple. Let's say 1, 2 and 3. Let's say this is my tuple. So now if I execute this particular program, you'll see that I will get this particular output. This is a tuple. Okay, you can see inside this particular tuple I'm having 3 values. Now, if I want to unpack these at the value, if I want to unpack these at the item, what I can do, I can use this particular syntax A, comma B, comma C is equal to this particular tuple. Now, what will happen? The first value will come in the first variable, second value will come in the second variable, third value will come in the third variable. Now, if I execute this particular program, and now if I print A, B and C, I'll just write print A, B, C. You will see that inside A, 1 is there, inside B, 2 is there, inside C, 3 is there. So this is called tuple unpacking. So sometimes actually you will be seeing these kinds of syntax a programmer will be using. So whenever you can see these kinds of syntax, so you have to remember this is a tuple unpacking they are doing. It's not about tuple. You can also do for the list as well. List unpacking also you can perform. Let's say instead of tuple, I will take a list and I'll just write the same things. Now if I execute this particular program, and if I again print this particular statement, you will see that you will get the same thing. Okay, so this is a very quick topic inside this particular data types. Okay, tuples and list. I think now you got it. What is tuple unpacking and what is list unpacking as well. Fine. Now you can ask me, let's say I'm having this kinds of tuple. Let's say I'm having, instead of taking 3 variable, if I'm taking 2 variable, will it work or not? See, if I execute this particular program, you will see you will get one error, too many values to unpack. That means here you are having 3 values, but your variable size is 2. Okay, that's why it's not working. So make sure the number of value actually you are having the same number of variable you have to take to unpack these are the value. Okay, I hope this part is clear. But you can handle this particular situation. So what you can do for this, let's say, so here is one code snippet I have written. You can see here I'm having one tuple, and here you can see I have taken A, B, and star others. Okay, so these are the variable I have taken. That means what I want to do, I only want to take this particular 1 and 2 out. Okay, I want to only unpack 1 and 2, and rest of the things I don't want. Okay, rest of the things I don't want. Let's say here you are having thousands of values, thousands of items, but I don't want that. So in this case, actually, you can write this particular syntax. Only just take A and B, and whatever you don't want, just write in the star variable. You can see this is the star. Okay, I'm taking one star. So here you can use any kinds of name. Here I have given others. You can write your name, my name, anything you can write here. No need to worry. Okay, now see if I'm executing this particular program. See, only 1 and 2 is storing inside A and B, and 3 and 4 it is storing in the other variable. Okay, and it would be a list. Okay, it would be a list. This particular output would be a list. That means, let's say if I am taking some more value, see, only 1 and 2 I will get in the A and B, and rest of the things will remain in the other variable. Okay, now if I'm not giving this particular star, then that time it will throw you error. Okay, so if you want to prevent the error, you can take this particular star, then this particular syntax will work. I hope you got it. Now, another things actually you can perform this particular zipping concept inside tuple as well. I think we saw like how to perform the zip operation on top of list. The same concept you can apply in the tuple as well. See, here I'm having 2 tuple. Now, if I'm performing the zip operation, what will happen? It will make a pair. Okay, it will make a pair. Now, if I execute this particular program, you'll see that it will make a pair. 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 3 and 7, 4 and 8. Okay, it is making a pair. And why I've written a tuple? Because it will give you the iterable object and you have to iterate it, and tuple is an iterator. Okay, now see, if I do the zip operation, you will get a zip object here. So here you can see it is giving me zip object, and if I want to get the value, what I can do, I can either convert it to list, either I can convert it to tuple. Okay, both can be applied. This is the idea. So this is actually quick topic. I just wanted to let you know, because this thing actually you can see in future whenever you will be doing bigger projects and all. Okay, so these are the small things actually you have to use in the programming to make your code very efficient. Okay, I hope you got it. So yes guys, this is all about from this particular video. Thanks for watching.